being different, being born different, being raised differently, being literally different when it comes to skin or religion or whatever thing, or just way of thinking, way of standing in life. This can be a hassle, this can be a pain in the butt, and especially when we're young, we tend to suffer from it. In this video, I would like to share with you the different stages I went through and how eventually I managed to transform what looked like a weakness into a strength, a huge strength. So stay tuned, get inspired. So if you want to get inspired, to learn how you can actually transform all those bad things about yourself into strengths, then click the link in the description or in the comments, which will guide you to Patreon, where for only $2 a month you can actually watch content that I'm not posting publicly, and content that can really help you transform your life. So click that link and start watching at least once a week, but maybe even twice a week, a video that can really help you. And of course, you can also suggest videos and topics and put in questions that I can answer in upcoming videos. So go out there and check it out.